You're at the classroom?
Yeah.
Nice classroom. It's 4:30 a.m. Of course, most of my vlogs start at 4:30 a.m. Waiting for a friend. So we have a batch for a land navigation course today. I'm going to the location. Probably navigate from our outdoor classroom to a waterfall. So I'll probably navigate through it. We just arrived and finished briefing to the batch of the land navigation course. We'll be heading to the outdoor class where we teach about the content of the whole course. So when it comes to trekking, navigation is always a good idea to learn. When it comes to established treks or trails, there are blogs you can read about, research about it. Just follow a trek path and do maybe 20-24 kilometers of trek. I have done my fair share of treks and also explorations that way. I mean, when you do trekking, eventually this becomes instinctive, but there are certain skills you need to learn. So if you have a Google satellite map on your phone and you have your location with a compass, you at least need to know how to take a bearing and head to a general direction of your destination. So at least this is required for anyone who goes into explorations or treks. ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಕಾಂಪಸ್ ನೇತಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ವೆ ಅಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗೋದಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. Okay, so we were en route the waterfalls. So it was actually closed. I mean, the main way to go there was actually closed, so we couldn't get into the water. So that was the regular post-trek swim. So we couldn't go to the actual waterfalls we had planned according to the navigation, but we had found this waterfall very nearby last time. So that's how it works. So we went to that waterfall and mostly everybody took a dip. Beautiful waterfall. Now we are heading back to our vehicles.